Hello guys. So I'm going to be introducing myself. My name is Michael Breckler. I'm attending Marian University. I've been a freshman. I went to Brownsburg High School as a high school student, and I'm planning to stay at Marian for 5 years to get my master's in secondary education with a minor in sociology. So, why history? So I think history is fun, probably one of the most interesting topics I've ever taught. And if you teach it correctly, it will probably one of be the most impacting things that you'll ever learn. And it's personally impacted me. So when I taught my sister how to do history, it was one of the most fulfilling experiences I've ever had. And she got an A on it, so that also really helped. So my love for history has taken me into several areas that I enjoy. So I have been teaching political science to some of my club members in high school. I've been teaching different types of humanitarian history and all that other stuff, so that's really interesting. Uh, it's also taken me to several locations like Boundary Waters and uh, Mississippi, I think, or no, it's Minnesota, and it's taken me to Charleston and all those other places that are really interesting and rich in history. And finally, it teaches you what you need to learn in the future. History is really good at teaching the future what the past was bad at and what the past was good at. So it's really cool. So, other things about me, I've been a runner for 10 years, and it's a sport that's not really a sport because it's a lifestyle. Running is really one of those things where you just have to go all out in, or you're never really going to succeed in it. And why do I run? I really couldn't tell you because I don't find the sport in itself too enjoyable. However, it can be super horrible not running. So one of my mottos is I hate running, but I hate not running more. Because the friends that you have in the sport are really what keep you going in the sport. So it's really interesting just trying to like run with other people for 12, 13 miles and getting to know them. And that honestly is what keeps you going and enjoying something. Other things I love talking and debating about events and contemporary topics. I'm a big debater, something you'll always know about me. I love talking about politics. I mean, I'm politically neutral, but it's really interesting talking about other views. I'm very open to other people talking to me about what they're into. It's really great. And some of the best conversations I've ever had with people were talking about politics. And sometimes if you have that healthy conversation and dose of respect for another person, it really goes a long way. I enjoy playing card games and chess. For those scrubs who want to play me, my rating's 1570. 1570. I can't English today. It's really good. I like spending my free time with my friends. Marian University is a really welcoming campus, so it's very easy to talk to other people. And that's about it. So, if you have any questions, you can ask me, DM me, but that's about it. See ya.